Ever considered the importance of a home-cooked meal over a restaurant-served dish? In this fast-paced world, the allure of convenience often tempts us towards dining out or ordering in. But have we stopped to contemplate what we might be missing out on? When we opt for home-cooked meals, we invite an array of benefits to our table. We're not just talking about the wonderful aroma wafting from a freshly cooked meal, but a deeper, more rounded experience that goes beyond just filling our bellies. Home-cooked meals bring along a wholesome package of nutrition, cultural richness, economic savvy, and a positive impact on our overall health and well-being. Each of these aspects contribute to why a meal cooked at home often trumps a restaurant-served dish. So, buckle up, fellow food enthusiasts. We're about to embark on a culinary expedition, exploring the multifaceted world of home-cooked meals. Let's delve deeper into why home-cooked meals are considered superior in terms of nutrition, culture, economy, and health. Nutrition is a key factor when we talk about food. How does home cooking fare on this scale? Well, it's time to peel back the layers and dive into the nutritious world of home-cooked meals. When you're the chef behind the stove, you get to be the master of your meal. You control what goes into your food, and importantly, what stays out. This power allows you to choose fresh, high-quality ingredients over processed ones laden with additives and preservatives. You can say no to excessive salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. It's like having a magic wand that transforms food into a healthier version of itself. Home cooking isn't just about what's in the pot, but also how it's cooked. Cooking methods employed at home like steaming, boiling, and baking are like the unsung heroes of nutrition. They help retain the natural goodness of ingredients, unlike frying or deep frying, which are common in commercial kitchens and can rob food of its nutritional value. So, what's the result of all this nutritional wizardry? Home-cooked meals tend to be lower in calories, saturated fats, and sodium. They're like a treasure trove of essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's like having a well-balanced diet served on a platter right at your dining table. But it's not just about nutrition. It's also about taste and satisfaction. When you cook at home, you get to experiment with flavors, play with spices, and create dishes that are tailored to your personal preferences. It's like being an artist, and your canvas is your dinner plate. So, the next time you're tempted by the convenience of a takeout menu, remember the nutritional superiority of home-cooked meals. Remember that you have the power to control what goes into your body, to choose health over convenience, and to create meals that are not just tasty, but also nutritionally balanced. Clearly, home-cooked meals provide us with healthier options, but how do they fit into our cultural landscape? Food is not just about nutrition, it's a cultural expression. How does home cooking contribute to this? Let's explore this together. Home-cooked meals, in essence, are a celebration of culture and tradition. They are the threads that weave culinary heritage, binding generations together through the time-honored art of cooking. The recipes passed down from our ancestors are not merely instructions for preparing food, but are stories and histories, encapsulating the tastes, aromas, and soul of our cultural backgrounds. Take a moment to think about your favorite home-cooked dish. Perhaps it's a recipe that has been in your family for generations. The very act of preparing this meal is a way to honor your lineage, to connect with your past, and to carry forward a piece of your family's identity. Now let's consider the communal aspect of home-cooked meals. Food, in many cultures, is a symbol of hospitality and generosity. The act of cooking for others is a way to express love and care, fostering a sense of community and connection. Shared over laughter, stories, and meaningful conversations, these meals become more than just sustenance. They become memories, experiences that deepen our sense of belonging and unity. But there's another layer to home cooking that adds to its cultural significance. It's a canvas for personal creativity. When you cook at home, you're the artist, and ingredients are your palette. You have the freedom to experiment, to blend traditions with innovation, to tailor dishes to your taste. Maybe you tweak a family recipe to make it healthier, or perhaps you mix flavors from different cuisines to create something uniquely yours. This culinary creativity is a form of self-expression, as personal and distinctive as your signature. In this light, home-cooked meals are not just meals. They are narratives of who we are, where we come from and what we value. They're an intimate expression of our cultures, our communities, and our individual selves. While nourishing our cultural roots, home-cooked meals also have an impact on our wallets. But that's a story for the next scene. Eating out might seem convenient, but what about the cost factor? When we pull back the curtain on the economics of home-cooked meals, it becomes clear that cooking at home can be a significant money saver. Let's start with the basics. The cost of ingredients versus the cost of a restaurant meal. When you buy groceries, you're paying for raw materials that can be transformed into multiple meals. On the other hand, when you dine out or grab takeout, you're paying not just for the ingredients, but also for the labor, overhead costs, and profit margins of the establishment. Over time, those restaurant meals add up, often costing several times more than a comparable home-cooked meal. But the economic advantages of home cooking go beyond simple cost comparisons. Cooking at home also allows for better portion control. Instead of being served oversized restaurant portions that can lead to overeating and wasted food, you can customize your portions at home to meet your family's needs. This not only reduces food waste, but also helps avoid the hidden cost of overeating, potential health issues down the line. Speaking of waste, did you know that home cooking can also be a powerful tool in reducing food waste overall? By planning meals, using leftovers creatively, and composting food scraps, we can minimize our contribution to the staggering amounts of food that are wasted each year. This is not just good for our wallets, but also for our planet. Home cooking also gives us the power to stretch our food budgets further. By choosing less expensive cuts of meat, seasonal produce, and bulk goods, we can create delicious, budget-friendly meals. And let's not forget the power of a well-stocked pantry. Having basic ingredients on hand allows us to whip up meals on the fly, saving us from expensive last-minute takeout. Economically beneficial and nutritionally superior, home-cooked meals also play a significant role in our overall health. So next time you're tempted to order in, consider the true cost of that convenience. And remember, your kitchen holds the keys to better health and a healthier wallet. Let's explore how home-cooked meals contribute to our health and well-being. When it comes to health, the benefits of home-cooked meals extend far beyond their nutritional value. Indeed, research has shown a strong correlation between regular consumption of meals prepared at home and lower rates of chronic diseases. This includes conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's not just about the ingredients we use, but also about the control we have over portion sizes, cooking methods, and the overall balance of our meals. But it's not all about physical health. The impacts on mental well-being are equally profound. The act of preparing a meal at home can be a mindful practice, a moment of respite in our busy lives. It offers a chance to slow down, to connect with our food, and to make conscious choices about what we're putting into our bodies. Beyond promoting mindful eating, the process of cooking itself can have therapeutic effects. The rhythmic chopping of vegetables, the sizzle of a pan, the aroma of herbs and spices, these sensory experiences can be grounding, reducing stress and anxiety. Cooking can become a sanctuary, a space where we disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with ourselves. Moreover, the kitchen is often the heart of the home, a place where families come together. Cooking and eating home-cooked meals can foster communication and bonding, strengthening our connections with those we love. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special celebration, these shared experiences can create lasting memories, adding a dash of happiness to our lives. In a world where convenience often trumps quality, it's important to remember the myriad benefits of home-cooked meals. They're not just about feeding our bodies. They're about nourishing our souls, cultivating mindfulness, and strengthening our connections with others. Home-cooked meals clearly offer numerous benefits, making them an invaluable part of our lives. Let's sum up the journey we've taken exploring the significance of home-cooked meals. We've learned that each dish prepared in our kitchens offers more than just sustenance. It's a treasure trove of nutrition, filled with fresh ingredients and lacking harmful additives. It's a culinary canvas where we paint with flavors and create meals that carry the weight of tradition and personal creativity. It's a testament to the economy of the household, where we stretch our budgets and minimize food waste. And perhaps most importantly, it's a vehicle for health and well-being, contributing to lower rates of chronic diseases and promoting mindful eating and stress reduction. Each home-cooked meal is a powerful statement, a testament to our capacity to nurture our bodies, respect our heritage, manage our resources, and care for our overall well-being. Next time you're thinking about what to eat, remember the power and benefits of a home-cooked meal.